When we're talking about optical activity, essentially what we're discussing is just the rotation of the plane of polarized light. Now, what does that mean? So what we're specifically looking at is we're looking at something known as a polarimeter. That what this does is it just measures the rotation of polarized light. So let's go into it. Before we start looking at, what is polarized light, the easiest way is to be able to visualize and get an understanding of what's happening. So let's say we had some sort of ordinary light source overall, so a light bulb. If I were to have a light bulb, and if I didn't have that lamp shade and I just have the light bulb, what's happening? Those light rays are going everywhere, right? There's no one place that it's focusing on. It's completely shining everywhere. Well, what if I were to place some sort of filter where the light can just go into that filter and focus on that